What's the first move?
What's the first move?
What's the first move? What is the first move? What's
Last
the first
one.
move?
What's the first move? What's the first move?
Step.
Okay.
It's okay.
What's the
I don't
first
have
move?
anything to say.
What's the first move?
3.
What's the second move? I gotta get out of here.
Ready?
Woo!
Yeah! I'm gonna quit my job. Haley, in a little bit more.
I'm really hungry. I don't even know if I know this dance.
All right.
My mark is this flower.
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh.
All right.
Pose! Here we go now!
We can't.
I think
suck
that's
today.
already recording,
We've been
right?
sucking so much.
Yeah.
Videos.
Our shoots have sucked ass. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
The video's been fine, but we suck.
Yeah.
It's all editing.
So we're just gonna match. Like why? Like what? Anywhere else?
You have this whole world.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, you came here because you want to get nasty. Ooh, I hate that. Ooh, Haley, you do it way too good. Ow.
3.
It's like 6 other mistakes you made.
This is the hardest thing I've ever done. I've messed up so many times.
I know you did.
We're gonna get a little bit nasty. We're gonna get a little bit nasty.
We're gonna get a little bit nasty.
Let's get nasty.
There's bugs in my hair, I know it.
You're having a bad day. We're gonna turn it around 360. Which I guess would mean you're right back where you started. Take it to this side. God damn it. Step, hit, down. It's so hard. What is it? Step,
2, 3, hit 4.
Right.
whatever. What if we just didn't do this dance? Down your body.
What?
That's exactly. I was right.
You were right. She did it wrong.
I did it wrong.
This is the hardest 2 minutes of my life. How's the volume?
It's really good, honestly. That's the best part about this shoot.
Grab the
That's
missile.
what I want to do. That's how it feels when I do it.
Pony!
What is
You're right.
I know I am.
Okay. No, that's gonna be the fall. I'm gonna freeze as you're falling. And I've got to not gravitate towards
I'm
you.
on the line.
You gotta keep your mother legs.
This is
I did mess up, but I don't care.
You messed up?
I messed up.
You missed it.
Are we good?
Let's shoot this thing.
I think we just found a love.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
This is just not love.
We're gonna guess the color of our underwear. No, we're not. Start it over. What the f am I saying?
We're gonna guess.
No, we're not.
Collectively.
Nope.
That was terrible. Okay, take 5 seconds, think of something, and then we'll go.
I have nothing to say. Gonna reach it front, take it up. Now we can do it again. Now you got it.
Is Cena making you nervous? I think Cena's making you nervous.
That's what I do.
I think I have long COVID.
2. Allison, get it together, girl. Let's go.
Reach up, pull the string. Take.
Do you want me to start it or do you want to start it?
You can go ahead and start it.
Are you okay? Yeah. No. Why'd you like talking to me like that?
I don't know. It's okay, wait, one more time. The diva marshal is here, honey.
2.
3. Actually, I was gonna go back anyways. Why?
Stop. Oh.
What part did I get my all? Top tier, elevated, CUNT performance. Oh my God! Cena woke up from the bed. Allison, Jesus! I followed the leader.
3, 2.
Back to the beginning. Back to the beginning.
3, 2.
Is that the beginning? That's the beginning. I just want to make sure it syncs up.
Okay.
Give me a 3-2.
3, 2.
Who you reaching for, Haley? Not me.
Is your body senses so you guys adults in real life?
Yeah.
I almost said it.
Just say it.
She's my ex-girlfriend. She's the last girl I dated before
Literally, we just met Rita Ora, and this is what you're gonna bring up.
Yeah.
And it's okay.
Now I have a
Trying to do
husband.
gay, it's great.
How good was that time?
That was incredible.
Oh,
I
perfect.
just came in like stealthily.
You guys, that was really good.
Thank you. You were so good. It's almost like you're a pop star or something. Yeah. And then boom, boom, boom.
Nope.
And then what?
What do we do? Well, don't move. Just one take.
What?
One take.
What's that?
Wait, literally, can we erase that?
What if we just reshot this section?
Okay.
Because I feel like I kicked off beat.
I think I could do it.
I didn't.
All right, girls. Let's go, girls. One take, you know the rules.
All right.
One take, you know the rules. One take, you know the rules.
I forgot about that. The best angle. God damn it! What are the counts? We are running out of tape.
All right.
Alright, that was good.
Whatever. Fucking care. It's so cold on this mountain, so we're gonna dance to try to warm up. And guess what? We're also gonna dance to make sure that you get some. God damn it! I don't know what to say.
Just say, let's go. Like, let's start the first move.
Go. One.
Everyone, pull it together.
Grab the applause. Pull it down. Okay. Pull down the applause. God.
You gotta turn it up. You gotta turn it up. You gotta turn it up.
Good night.
Harassment.
What the fuck?
Amazing. Harassment.
All eyes on us.
I'm suing.